Morning, dear students. Today we will study using a wheel and axle, page 408, 409. What is a wheel and axle? It's made up of wheel and axle. So we have a wheel like this in purple color and the axle, and each of which connected together. So it's made up of a wheel and axle that are connected so that they turn together. Okay, so when the wheel turn, the axle turn with it because they are connected together. A wheel and axle uses a circular motion because the wheel like a disc, so when it moves in a circular motion, the axle also move in a circular motion. So when the wheel move, the force increases in the axle. So when a wheel and axle uses a circular motion to increase the force. If you turn the wheel, the axle turns with greater force. So when you turn the wheel, the axis will turn but with greater force. Like when you open the door using the doorknob. The doorknob here is an example of the wheel and axle. So you open the door easily by using small force, because the small force in the wheel becomes greater in the axle. As you know, wheel and axle is an example of simple machines. The handle bar, the first example for wheel and axle, the handle bars of a bike. Handlebar of a bike, it's the bar you hold to ride the bicycle and to change its direction. So they are an example of a wheel and axle. The handlebars of a bike are connected to the shaft or the axle. So handlebar connected to the axle, the axle or the shaft then connects to the wheel. As you know, the front wheel of the bicycle connected to the handbars, and the handbars connected to the axle, and the axle connected to the front wheel of the bicycle, allowing you to turn the bike, change its direction, without having to move the wheel with your hands. Doorknob, screwdriver, and pencil sharpener are examples for wheel and axle. You can read this part or the lesson from your book, page 408 and 409, to see the pictures of the doorknob and the pencil sharpener, also the handlebars of the bicycle. Thank you.